And welcome back to the development desk today, robots. I always try to encourage everyone to go build something, have some fun, learn something. So in the November edition of that this month, we are going to take a look at a pretty cool new project that I found out there. I was working on our testing suite and trying to get a better idea of how to get a count of the tokens for all of these open source LLMs that we tend to run on the channel. A lot of people know about like Tick Token, that's from OpenAI, but it only really works for their models. I've kind of had it built into my testing suite for a little bit, but it's not very accurate. I was out searching around and found this great project called Auto Tick Tokenizer. What's awesome about this project is it's basically just a pip module that you can install, and it will actually pull the tokenizer from Huggingface and allow you to very quickly, and I do mean quickly, and I will show you guys this, estimate tokens for that specific model. This is fantastic. If you guys are working around this, I'm sure that you will find this very useful, hence why I'm showing this to you guys. Go check it out. The link will be down below in the description also. With that, this is just a pip module. I went and built a quick Streamlit app because that's what I do and show you guys and make it all off. But this is super easy, guys. Like, we're talking about, less than probably like 50 lines of code to make the Streamlit app. But the tokenizer itself is super easy, super easy. So basically, we're going to take a model name from Hugging Face that you can just type in, in an organization and the model, and I'll show you guys that. It's going to go reach out to Hugging Face, download the tokenizer. That tokenizer has to be in the Hugging Face repo, just so you know. That's a big thing, or else they can't estimate or use that to do it. And then it runs through and does all the counts. We basically are stripping the new lines out of it, but that's from the Streamlit app. So if you guys have this built into your Python app, should be no problem pretty much right off the bat, but do read their documentation. So just to get this running, I've built a repo. You guys can go check it out. Just look for, my name. Again, the link will be down at RoboTF LLM token estimator. You can check this out and run it on yourself. If you really want to, you can actually just use it directly off of my website right now. It will be here for you guys to use, but I know a lot of the local llama community really likes to keep everything local. So you can go build and run this yourself locally, either through Docker, locally on your machine. It's a really lightweight app. Don't worry about it. Pull the Docker container, run it, which let's just go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and start this up. You can always look at your local host 8505 for this app, and it does tell you when you pull the Docker container to do that. Let's flip back over. We're going to refresh this page. Here we have the RoboTF LLM token estimator. Example model name. So you can just grab one of these model names, but remember, you can always just go to Hugging Face, find the model that you're looking for. In this case, we're looking at QWQ32B preview. All you need to do is make sure that this tokenizer is in the repo, and then you just grab this link right here up by its name, copied. We'll go back over here. We're going to paste that name in, and that's the one that we're going to use, and then we're going to simply just type our prompt in here and let it estimate for us. So, hi, my name is RoboTF. You can hit Command Enter. If you didn't see that, it actually downloaded the tokenizers that it needed and gave us an estimated token count of 7 with the original character counts. Just to give you guys an idea, let's go grab our original one. Remember, see how my token that I've been estimating in all of our tests is down here at like 101? Let's go grab this. And we're going to count the tokens on that. Now you can see it came back from 90 for the specific Quinn model. Now, the Mistral models, if you guys are well aware, are going to require you to have authentication to Hugging Face, because you basically have to accept the model. If you get this client error, you must be authenticated to access it. All we really need to do is you need to set your HFF or HF underscore token variable either locally, or you need to pass it into the Docker container, depending on how you're running it. In this case, I'm just going to rerun it, and I'm going to pass in my local HF token that I have set in my environment. And we'll go right back to that page. And we'll do that same thing. We'll grab the Mistral model. That is a private one. and say, hi, my name is RoboTF. And you can see that time it worked just fine and download it. But the big thing is, did you guys see how fast this was? So you don't have to have the model locally. You can just pull the tokenizer and knock the whole darn model down and give some different tests in between this. All right, guys, I want to remind you, go build something, go have some fun. You guys can check this out on my website. You can go grab it from GitHub yourself. Check it out. If you have issues, feel free to put up issues. If you want to enhance it, go ahead and throw up a pull request. Happy November, guys, and remember, go give these guys a shout out at AutoTick Tokenizer. It's a new project. I think it'll be good for you guys. Until next time, remember, buy yourself and your AI a pizza and have a good day.